Good morning, welcome back. Right, now, yesterday I did get a few bits done, but let's turn around. Not as much as I thought I was going to, because plans changed in the afternoon, but I did get some stuff done, so I'll give you a look at what I did do. As you can see, it's getting a bit congested in here and that, but I did get all the rest of the tomatoes potted on. And yeah, there's more up there. They're not all for me though. And then the cucumbers and gherkins, got those done. Got all my peppers done. So there and there. Got to find somewhere to put this celeriac. Let's go. Right, and then I potted up the geraniums, the rest of the peppers. Yeah, I think that was all indoors anyway. And so on. And then let's go and have a look outside. Oh, it's so nice having two doors. Right, yeah, peas are still doing okay. They've not died overnight. So I did earth up the potatoes, those ones. What else did we do? Oh, and yeah, I realised I made a stupid mistake because, so I've just watered that ready to put some dahlias in. Potatoes, these are, let's try and turn around that way. But because I had those three left over, I stuck them down the middle. Well, of course, that was a bit daft because that doesn't make earthing up very easy. But I will get some more compost and that and earth them up again when they're ready. Just waiting on these ones to come up now. I did have a bit of a poke about, as you do, and they are still alive, so that's good. But yeah, so a few bits done. Sweet peas are still alive. That's good. I still haven't netted my strawberries, but I'm in the process of doing watering this morning because everything is wilting and yeah, not looking great. But we are due rain on Sunday, which I sincerely hope we get a good lot of. And that, but it is what it is, isn't it? This is really rare for April, but I'm not knocking it, but just wish we could have a bit of rain. Okay. Right, next job is, oh, get the hoe. Oh, Christ. Right, I'll give these a good water. Right, sorry, I hope that didn't, not cute. Normally do it until I can see water coming out the bottom of the holes. These are my first earlies, Rocket. And these ones are main crop ones. I'm going to earth those up now. Give them water beforehand. Wrong bag. Don't want to put that on it. That will do. I don't even know if you can see what I'm doing over it. Let's move it over a bit. That's a bit better. Right. My comfrey, which escaped from the pot. It's not actually the spreading variety. I had a big bed here, and obviously the root went through the bottom of the pot and has decided to regrow. Sod it. What's the use the rest of that? Right. Just give them another. God, at this rate, I'm going to have to go and break the shorts out. Too hot. Right. Get this all chopped up. It'll break down in the compost a lot quicker. Really should find some way to do this higher up. You don't want to be doing too much because it does your back in. But it is what it is. Right, let's get another one. Right. Now, bearing in mind, I'm just going to take you and show you this. This is only about probably the fourth piece in 5 years I've discovered. Ugh. I don't know where it comes from. It's only around under this greenhouse. Bloody stuff. I'm not sure what that... Oh, I know what that is. conker, but it's this one I want out. Right, that can sit there and cook on the slabs and then go out along with the conker. Right, hopefully that's all there is there. But yeah, that's beginning to look a little bit better. So haven't decided what I'm doing with the stalks as yet. Right. Yeah, another little one. That can go on there. Right, I'm going to carry on and I'll see you shortly. I'm knackered. That's all of those done, and I will show you what we've got. Nice lot of little tiny cabbages, but that's a lot of food in there, so I'm happy with that.